I suspect that this braced carbide tipped tool holder, before I modified it, wasn't actually cheap. I'll put some still pictures in of what it says on it. But FB Tools, Sheffield, Mittia, and then a great big number on this side, which I'll show a photo of. Don't mean a thing to me. It must be the part number for this particular brazed tipped tool. It points to the right, so that's called a left-hand tool. I did get this explained to me once before, but why? But it's opposite to what you'd think. So I didn't show this very well, and I've been told off by brother-in-law for not showing me cutting. I did show it machining this on the lathe using this, but not very well. So I'm doing it again. So we'll put that in. And we've got the keeper plate that I made. And she's got the step in it. That goes there. And then a bolt, an M4 goes through there. And traps the tip into the holder. Like that. So we're going to take this over. Oh no, we're not. We're going to put it in the holder, in the quick change first. And then we're going to get the camera closer and do some close-up shots of this in operation. And I've got what I'll call mild steel. It's weird stuff, but it's what come with the Hemingway's kit, the large bore tool rest for the lathe, and I didn't use it because I used brass to make it look nicer, and it's what we're left over. So I'll set this up and then I'll move camera across and we'll try it on mild steel, on some stainless steel. In fact, I'll show you. Mild steel's already in from last night. That's a piece of stainless. It's just bits I've got over. That's some alloy bar. We'll give that a try. Whether it'll gum that up or not, I don't know. And a piece of brass rod. I'm looking at it because I'm not sure if it's brass or phosphor bronze. I'm looking at these stripes on it and it's making me wonder if it's actually phosphor bronze. Anyway, it's out of scrap bin. So we'll get set up with the camera. I'll be back in a sec. Oh, that's close enough. Oh, not too close. Yeah, I think we're on centre there. Take that handle out so I don't bash camera. I'm going to put power driving, screw, so that I'm not winding handle, because when you wind handle, as I said before, you get jittery marks on here. So let's have a go. Right, I don't think this is going to work. I need camera higher, because as this comes across, it's going to blank camera. Excuse the noise, it's gearbox. I mean, to get that super smooth, you'd need to sandpaper it, but that is quite good. Let's compare it with a different cutter. I have got some really good cutters that make a nice job as well. That one's quite good. And that's also a very good finish with that, although chip breaking wasn't as good as the new one, but equally as good, I'd say. Right, put this back in. So we go soft to hard, so we'll take that out. I mean, that ain't bad, is it? Right, touch with sandpaper. Not perfect, I'm not saying it is. It's not bad. What I say, aluminium. Try with a piece of alloy. See if I can get that in. I'm only going to take a bit off anyway. I don't want to ruin that because it's probably coming handy for something. Touch off, come away in 10th hour or so. As expected, very nice finish. Let's take a deep cut. So let's zero this. Where are we? 90, 0. So if I take 10 if I take 25 thou out, which is 50 thou in total, let's see how that does. And pretty much a mirror finish, which I guess that's what it would be. Aluminium's easy to cut into. Right, that's that done. We'll go soft to hard. No water, I'll tell you why, because it means adjusting chuck. Put that in. I'm only putting this piece of small bar in it. The brass, that's all I've got. Well, I've got some other, but I don't want to use it. It's too valuable. Right, how we go with camera? So that was stainless. Again, a nice finish, nothing wrong with that. They do cut well, which I suspected that, because I think these are expensive tips. I'm sure he said they come from some big engineering company that had gone down nick, as most of them did way back. I mean, he's got literally hundreds of these, but he gave me just a few in a box. Obviously, I'm not going to be using that many, am I? Especially if that'll cut 6 times. That, you know, if you chipped it or wore it out, you've got 6 cutting edges there. Right, brass off of phosphor bronze, not sure which. Touch that. Waiting for 10 thou. Nice finish. Let's do a deep cut. So go there, 0 off, which is, let's have a look, turn this dial, the vernier scale on the cross slide, and take it in 10, 20, 25. So that's a 50 thou cut total. But it's not, it's a 25 thou cut. Gives you 50 thou overall. Still think camera's too low. I'm going to try and lift the camera higher so you're looking down more. Right, I've moved camera higher up using a different bracket. I've used my overhead one this time and I've zoomed in 1.5, so let's see how we go with that. Right, start again. braking great on stuff like this. Like we run a bit more. Take the gearbox out. Nice. Very nice. In fact, no. Gearbox back in. Let's do a right fine pass. Like 2,000. Right, take gearbox out just to show you my lathe ain't knackered. That's without the gearbox in. It's noisy, but it's I'll call it an external set of gears because it's a gearbox in an enclosure, the Myford, if you know the Myford. But the front of it's open, where the B lever is. It's open so you can see the gears flying around. So it's got to be noisy, ain't it? And the steel, but damn good quality, lasts forever. Lovely. So yeah, I'll take that out and I don't think I need to show you any closer. Let's take the zoom off this. So each piece of material we've cut, all been highly successful. I'm really pleased with that cutter. Yeah, I felt guilty. Brother-in-law had seen this video. He didn't comment, but he'd seen it of me making this, and he said you didn't show a close-up of you cutting, and you were saying it what a nice finish it was, but you never showed it. So I'm sorry for that. So this is another video. As you could say, give me an excuse to put another video up. But it won't be a long one. Alright guys, give us a thumbs up if you think I've excelled myself there. Oh, the other thing we did was we painted it. So it's now got a coat of paint on it. Not a great deal, but it won't rust. Yeah, I reckon that tool will have been damned expensive when it were new, and it was probably 40 years old or more, probably older. Thanks for watching guys. This is part 2 I guess.